some rhythm like a fine ass baseline. Sliding to the party with show, you have a great time. Don't worry about me playing my role, I stay on game time. Tell her call me so, cause baby girl, they can't take mine. I ain't one of these niggas chasing clout with a fake shine. I'm just trying to party with some bitches, shit from great wine.
I just like though. That 16 is. When I tell y'all the candy was so good, I'm a big kid, I am so sorry.
Steady tricking, asking where I been at, I be chillin'. Fuck me up in the cup, we winning. My girls really are them. Turn them up, all my hoes look me, yeah, you know what's up, Kobe.
Tee me up, little baby, tee me up. Tee me up, little nigga, tee me up. Tee me up, little daddy, tee me up. Tee me up, little baby, tee me up. Tee me up, little nigga, tee me up. Tee me up, little baby, tee me up. Fucking with us, you'll be turned. Fuck your ex bitch, you'll get burned. Serious. Fucking with me is a fight.
What's popping, Shay babies? Please subscribe to my YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram to get West Kiss You Nice and Ebony, New York deals. Click the link in my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So girl sing, rap the poetry. This is me doing my makeup. Let's get into it. So I'm sorry, y'all. I got a crazy personality. Y'all go see. First, I use this for my primer. This is Milk of Magnesia. I get mine from CVS. So. Brush up. I have eyebrows like a boy. I have thick eyebrows like a squirrel tail. You feel me? I brush them up just so I can like define the shape that I want to have my eyebrows for when I'm drying them on. Okay, so stay tuned. Combo slice. Drawing the pencil, the dark brown pencil upwards on my eyebrow. You can get this pencil from the beauty supply. It's like $1.99 or something, but I'm drawing them upwards. I usually draw my eyebrows thick or skinny depending on my style or the look for today, so I'm going natural, so they'll be naturally like, you know, small today, but I know they look crazy. They go look thicker than me, you feel me? No jokes, you know, but just wait till you guys see. So now I'm putting Pro Conceal under my eyebrow in the color Toffee, just to give my eyebrow a little color, a little highlight. Now we're going into putting the darker concealers on top of my eyebrows. I'm still using the Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, and I'm using this Juvias concealer. I don't remember the name of it. I ripped it off because I had this for like 2 years, but the concealer is perfect, you guys. So now, you guys, I am going in with my Juvias TOGO 210 foundation. I have about 3 of these foundations. I love Juvias, black-owned business. Shout out to black-owned brand. Yay, clap it up. Yeah, so I'm just going over my whole face, starting not at the bottom of my face. I just like to make sure I have the full coverage. Hit that neck. Ladies, if you know, you know. Hit that neck. My 2-3 toned women, hit that neck. So we're just going to apply the foundation all over my face, and then we're going to be back into the look soon. So now we're getting into blending, ladies. Blend. Blend in there, blender upper, number. You feel me? Trying to rhyme, but I am blending the concealer on top of my eyelids and with the foundation concealer, just so we can make sure that everything is, you know, lining up correctly. So yeah, blend. Take your time and blend. I ain't gonna cap you for a double this bitch. I should've dropped this song, you for real, cause this bitch was hard. When I tell y'all the candy was so good, I'm a big kid, I am so sorry. My apologies.
Steady tricking, asking where I been at, I be chillin'.
To start highlighting, I'm using the Pro Concealer still, and I'm using my Juvias concealer that's still on my hand. I will be putting the Pro Conceal under my eye next to my nose for that little light hint touch, and then I'm going to use the Juvias concealer mixed with a little bit of the Pro Concealer for my under eye, just to uplift it, you feel me? You feel me? Sorry, I'm always saying you feel me. Now, you feel me, we are about to get into dabbing into the skin. This is just me dabbing the sponge into the skin for my highlight. I'll just repeat that all over my face.
Days I don't care where it takes me. Love you so much, I don't think. This is my jam.
I am using one of my Juvias palettes to start contouring my cheekbones. I am using the darkest shade on the palette. Let me say one of the darkest shades because I don't want y'all to be coming at me like, girl, that's the second darkest. Okay. I'm just contouring going upwards, not touching all the way down to my cheeks, you know, but definitely going right to the middle of it. And we're just like lining it up. We're finding an angle.
Do your thing, boo. I ain't mad at you. I think especially one of a kind. When I call you man, I love the way you care for stuff, family, and I. One of a kind, a real nigga.
You know, find your angle in your face and contour, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up. Now we are about to start using the setting powder. I'm gonna start setting under my eyes and above my mouth, my chin, nose, etc. Guys, how I become, you feel me? Damn, baby girl with the cheek. Add a little bit of color.
Blush, a little something.
This is Juvias Warriors number 3. I am using the color red or burgundy. I know my bullets messed up, y'all. Don't judge me. I be in this shit for real.
Girl, you got it, walking them words. You got it, I give you what you deserve. You got it, best times gonna come with the word. But tryna argue, take the rough shit as a learning.
I did that.
My cool and she be tripping cause I know they were.
Okay.
Damn, baby, okay, can I get you do that? That's that. Yeah.
Baby, let's book a trip to the bay.
And a little bit of lashes and you ready to go. Oh yeah. That was God letting me know I was ready to go.
You make no sound. You just go to work downtown. Face deep in, you hear my heartbeat pound. And then we'll go round and round.
Hey, that pretty lady, no, I ain't seen you lately. Lost up in this paper, but know that you still my baby. Let's take a trip, my sand always white and the ocean's wavy. You the one, girl, I swear that there's no replacing. You got it, take your time, girl. You got it, just wanna see you smile.
I am so foolish, all of my girls, they say, man, please don't go.
Are you looking fine now? Baby, got some rhythm.
And this is the final look, you guys.
Yeah, this her.
So whoop, there she go. What's my setting spray? I used NYA.
Yeah, it was.
I think I used the dewy one. Yeah,
it was the dewy one.
But yeah, this is cute on some soft glam. You feel me? On some popping out with your homegirls. On some, you feel me? Nice light date. You know. Y'all know I'm a Cancer. I'm sorry. I love you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first YouTube video, you know. So we have many more adventures. Be beautiful, be light, be pure,
courteous, be
respectful, and you know, if you guys have any other tips or questions or want me to do any other looks, you feel me, please tag me, let me know in the bottom, in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and you know, let's network, let's have fun, you feel me? It's a new year, new beginnings, new times for new relationships.
Please don't mind my artistic hands. They look like, you know, I was painting, and I really was. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what else you guys want me to do. See you later.
I can only tell you what to not. Cause I be feeling like one of them ball playing niggas. Y'all playing with the
hold up. Y'all thought I was done. My apologies. So you guys love my hair, y'all love my looks. If you want to get percentages off of West Kiss Hair, You Nice Hair, Ebony New York Makeup, you feel me? If you guys need extra tips personally, you guys can hit my Instagram, my DM, you feel me? I'm for the people. I am here for you. This was made for you. I'm here made for you, you feel me?
I am a passion, made me so mushy, boy, I am a sucker. Falling for you and this feels like no other. Yeah, no other. This is so crazy, I'm in the days, I don't care where it takes me. Love you so much, I don't think